are on our way to the new renovation house. I've got my video editor with me. We're gonna call him Sock. That's his online profile name. This house we are going to name the Pure House Project. I'll explain why later, but anyway, the Pure House, P-U-R-E. And we're on our way now, so we'll check back in with you in a second to kind of show you what it looks like. Here we go. All right, y'all. There she is. You see it? Let's pull in. All right, here she is. The Pure House Project. Here we go. All right, as you can see, there's a nice deck here, but a lot of runoff. We've got age and age. We've got bugs, and just a lot to do here. Also, here's pretty good access to this roof. This is one of the first things that we will replace is the roof. So here we go. Let's go inside. I love the storm door, and the front door is just ready to be painted. All right, come on in. If you look downstairs, we have kind of an old laminate parquet along with no stair treads. Look at this. That used to be carpet. Check out this carpet. It's like all green. It was brown, but it's faded green. All right, here we go. Check out this room though. Overall, I mean, we've got some kind of nice vaulted ceilings with a little staining on the ceiling and skylights. Here, we'll walk this way first. Lot of squeaky floors. So like, wherever I go, it's kind of squeaky. But look, the kitchen, the cabinets are really in terrific shape. If you back up a little bit, the cabinets are in really terrific shape. We've got some appliances that just need cleaning. I think that even though this is nice, I think we'll change it to granite. It's just a better seller. And we'll tear up this floor. Looks like they did it maybe a few years ago, but we're gonna make it all hardwood flooring. Here we go. Check out the master suite. So we've got Berber carpet, nice little window. The closet here. I actually really love when they have these wooden poles and everything. I think they hold up better. All right, let's back up and go to the bathroom here. Well, let's not go to the bathroom, but there you go. Only one of us can fit in there. Look at the tub. There's the tub. If you hold it up and look at the glass doors and everything. All right, you see the floors and everything in there. So the vanity here, because it's already installed. Yeah, that's ugly. It's because the vanity is already installed. I'll make something of that without uninstalling it. I'll just put a new countertop on it. All right, let's go back over here. Two new nice doors. Again, looking at the deck. Pretty peaceful out here. Just needs a lot of cleaning and some reinforcement of the deck. All right, let's go look at the two bedrooms and then we'll go downstairs. All right, if you look here, there's the hallway. Okay, and we've got bedroom number 1 right here. Look at that floor. See how it's stained? That is not the video. That is actually the carpet where the brown, probably red and green in the carpet has faded.
It's actually a better, like, you could see it better in the video. than you can in real life.
And then,
but like, it just emphasizes how much it needs to be like renewed.
Little bedroom with a closet.
It's quite small, but it could possibly be a child's bedroom with a small fitting bed, but it will be a good, fun challenge.
So check out the bathroom. So if you look from here, the floor is actually not in bad condition. So not in bad condition. We'll probably just clean it up. This is a really, really, really good bathroom closet. If you look there, go down. Okay, so I'm going to close it. But look at this. So this is a nice vanity. I'm going to change out the mirror, and then I'm going to put new things on the lights. But look, this shower is a nice tile shower. It's not my first choice of tile. Can you see in your video with the brightness? Can you see? But I'm not going to change it. We can work with this, and even the jacuzzi tub is okay. Nice skylight. But if you look, the sheetrock's kind of destroyed. All right, we're going to go downstairs. Okay, we're going downstairs. There's no flooring, as you can see, so we got to put hardwood flooring right there. Watch this. You ready? This is kind of cool. Hands free. Ready? Woo! All right, so we just came through that door, okay? And then this is going to be hopefully a really cool little workstation. Go up. See? We're going to go on that wall. If you turn around, see here. Okay, look. This is a laundry space and big open area here. Circles around to the garage, which I absolutely love the garage. Get something.
I'm sorry.
Nope. And if you stand here, you can see it's a little noisy.
Sure.
Just how big. It's a nice new garage door, but look how much workspace we have to store all of our things. Let's go. Okay. They left us some extra carpet there. So, all right, we're gonna go inside now. Laundry room is there. And then we're back in the house. All right, look at this bonus room here. It's not much to look at, but if you pan the room, you see all the paneling. Speaking of panel. We have a drop ceiling. We're just going to leave it because it's fine. Look at this. This closet. Stay back. All right. This is the only way to turn the light on is the light to twirl the light bulb. This is like a nice little storage closet. See?
With a little nook.
Yep. So if you see that from, it's got a pretty good amount of storage. We just definitely need some flooring. All right. So this is, I'm seeing this as a guest room. Look at that floor. Super nice. There's my radio for $250.
Are you sure about it? Super nice?
Yeah, it's going to be awesome. This, though, is the least nice. You ready? Check out the floor. It's like stick-on panel, wallpaper. We started taking this off this weekend. Check it out. And check out that toilet. That's a dream. In the window. So anyway, lots of work to be done here. So that is the Pure House project. We're going to turn the lights off.
We got a nice little glass.
I brought that here.
Antique thing right there.
Yep. But look how peaceful it is outside. I think it's going to be really nice. Here, come look around the side. You can see the side of the house. See the side of the house there? And then follow me over here. Look at the deck from outside. See? You see some memories made out there? And then the yard goes all the way back. Got a little bit of cleanup to do. And there's even, like, look at this, all through the yard are gopher holes. There's tunnels in the whole yard, everywhere. Yep. So we'll have to fix that. All right, here we go. That's it. Thank you so much for watching our tour of the Pure House project, or Project Pure House. We haven't decided. We're going to be trying to document the entire renovation. It's almost time to start tearing stuff up. Be sure to subscribe if you want to follow this project and other how-tos. And it's almost time to tear things up. See you later.
I'm gonna take this for the blooper reel. Or just like for the behind the scenes.
I made a wrong turn. I got so caught up in footage that I was like, ew, keep on